Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Nova Kurniawan. Kali ini saya akan menjawab atau mempresentasikan diskusi ke minggu ke-8. T-shirt. I wore t-shirt almost every day because t-shirts are very comfortable to wear in various situations. Muslim robe. I usually wear it when I go to pray at mosque or for religion event. Batik cloth. I usually wear batik cloth when there is wedding or other formal invitation. Sportwear. I usually wear sportwear when I am teaching sport or doing heavy activity.
A few moments later.
The list of my daily clothes: 1. T-shirt, 2. Sweater, 3. Shirt, 4. Trouser, and 5. Short. I'm usually use the clothes like that for some moment. I always use t-shirt. I'm working with t-shirt. Sweater, I'm used for protect my body from the wind when I was riding motorcycle. I use shirt often in the party or some activity very important. Trouser, yes, I always use everywhere I go. Short, I am used only in my house because short is very comfortable for me.
2 hours later.
Why school is important? Because we need knowledge and understand it well. Not going to school is like missing a golden opportunity. There are many hopes to aim for. So, education is very important. By starting early to be able to reach college and achieve what aspire to. Parents will always support and be full of hope for our success and create a better quality of life. Sekian dari saya, mohon maaf apabila banyak kekurangan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.